Hi guys, it's Aidan here from Everyday Tech. So today I just wanted to talk about something specific. It's about the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 that's being released. And it's not about the phone itself. There's lots of videos out there talking about the specifications of it, and that's all very great. But there's one thing that I'm struggling to find out, and you may agree, you've probably not even thought about it. But is you buy a phone, you want to protect it. I can't seem to find a case for it anywhere. Now, no doubt there'll be one in the box when you get it. They usually do include a little plastic transparent case. But this isn't an ordinary phone. Obviously, this is a slider phone. People are going, oh, does the front slide down? Does the back slide up? Doesn't really matter. My concern is, how are you going to protect it? So is it going to be a gel case? Is it going to have a front? Is it going to have a back? Because, you know, if you slide it out and you drop it, is it going to damage any of the components? Is it going to shatter? Is it going to fall apart? I don't know. You know, if it has a flip case, does it have to be oversized to accommodate the phone when it's slid out? I just don't know, and I'm struggling to find a case online for it. Like I say, usually with any manufacturer, whenever a phone is being released, you can usually go onto sites like Gearbest, and you can just type in, Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 or 2S or any phone pretty much, and there will be a case for it. But I've just typed in Google Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 case or just Mi Mix 3. And I can't seem to find anything, which does worry me slightly. How do you protect a phone that's not got a case available for it? And it does worry me. Everybody drops the phone. Everybody needs a case. Nobody's perfect. But, you know, if you've got a phone that does slide out, you're going to need an additional protection somewhere. So it could be a gel case for the back half, maybe rubber bumpers for the front half. But then it still doesn't, I still don't know what would happen if you was to drop it, if it was slid out. Is it going to go boom, come apart? Is it going to push it up the other way? Is it going to fall apart? Are the hinges going to break? If you drop it, is the camera going to break? It's really, really, really frustrating because I really can't find anything that would tell me how to protect this phone, which would prevent me from buying the phone in the first place. Because if I very rarely drop my phone at all, but it does happen. And even though it might not be my fault, and people go, oh yeah, I don't need one because, you know, I never drop my phone. Well, I barely drop my phone. I think I've only ever done it once or twice in the last 3 years. But if you put it down on a table, you can't predict what other people are going to do. They might spill something on it, they might knock it. You know, but you need to know that you've got some sort of protection. I myself have a flip case, but would that work on a phone which has to slide out? Because if you slide, it would be the front down, I think. Then the front is going to stick out of the bottom. So if you drop it, that front is not going to be protected. And I'm just struggling to figure out how they are going to protect it. They must have figured it out. I mean, along with the other things, you know, like, is it waterproof? Is it going to be waterproof? No, it's probably not going to be waterproof at all. And I think it's actually a step backwards, even though it's a step forward in some respects, because it's obviously a truly bezel-less phone. I just don't think it's going to be for me. I could be wrong. And I could, you know, get the phone and I could be absolutely loving it forever. But I just can't see it, to be honest. But leave me your thoughts. If you found something on the Mi Mix 3 case, leave a link below or get in contact, let me know. And I will let people know myself. But if you've liked what you've seen today, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications and you'll be kept up to date with anything else that I do. But apart from that, see you later.